I would tell an IC student looking to do an internship to just do it. Genuinely, this is one of the greatest things I've done. You'll realize that there are things that you thought you liked that you don't. You'll learn that there's things that you thought you wouldn't like that you do. Get the experience. It looks good on your resume, and it's something where you can learn, you can have fun with it. Just do it.
I would tell an IC student to definitely go for this internship. It's been one of my greatest memories, being able to work in the summer, figure out what I'm doing for my career, figure out how to work with people here, and what better than to drive 5 minutes from my house and work at a prospect league team that the Springfield Lucky Horseshoes has been a great opportunity for me.
Working in the workforce and also the connections you make, whether that be with your supervisor, other interns. If you know people, make connections, and treat people respectfully, you get a foot in the door that you didn't realize was possible later down the road. So that's a big thing for me.
Yeah, I would say absolutely do it. I think it puts you ahead of everyone that you might be in competition with in the future. It looks great on your resume. I've learned so many skills. I have learned that networking is so important. My internship supervisor made me get a LinkedIn, so I'm on LinkedIn, I'm ready to go. We have a resume building workshop that I'll get to bring my resume to and kind of rip that apart and make it more professional. And I think specifically this internship program is really developed, but I think any internship is so valuable, and you might as well spend your summer bettering yourself.